WASH is the leading North American provider of turnkey laundry systems to the multifamily industry, apartments, condominiums, that kind of thing. We also have a very strong presence in colleges and universities. In late 2015, the company was acquired by EQT, a leading global private equity firm. WASH had been a family-owned and operated business for over 70 years. We have a highly tenured workforce. And it was really important for me to get a baseline on the pulse and emotion of the company prior to embarking on some pretty significant changes in our business model.
We had gut feels of kind of what our employees were feeling, but we didn't have validation. So it was something that we felt we really needed to invest in. We were actually in the process of doing an RFP for an engagement survey, and our parent company, EQT, had emailed us and said, we've just invested in a new company called Peakon. Would you be interested in talking to them? And as soon as we looked at Peakon's demonstration, they were by far the most dynamic platform we had seen. We had a participation rate in our very first survey of 71%, which is extremely high given the number of field people we have and people who do not even have cell phones in our production plants. So they were able to get to the kiosks. We had HR people there just helping them get on. So we really encourage people to provide feedback.
We took the first survey, a company-wide survey using the tool. 3 key themes emerged.
Communications. People just wanted to hear more. Transparency around what the business was doing and where we were going.
Second was recognition. They wanted to be recognized for a job well done. I mean, anybody would.
And the third was talent development, so training. How do I do my job better? How do I be more successful? So they were very clear buckets of things that people were looking for in every survey. Previous surveys that I've worked with take weeks and months to develop reports. And by that point in time, things have changed. This allows us the next day to really go into action. So we've put into place a lot of different channels for communications. We're launching a new recognition program. We're in the process of hiring a training and development manager. We're going to be launching a whole new program around development for managers and employees. The benefit of it was within my own team, I saw a priority during the week. One was workload. So we had a lot of conversations about how to reprioritize, how do we kind of move things so that we can make the workload easier. The next week, that came off the priority, there was something new. So it was a great way for me just to see almost instantaneously if what I have said or what we've changed had an impact on the team.
My advice would be to get a read on your employees, understand what's of concern to them, look for common themes, so as you build your change strategy, you're addressing those concerns in a transparent way. Peakon really gives us that capability.